Hello, lovely people. I'm Vasif Patti. Welcome to my channel, Networking for Life. So, what we're going to do is actually, yesterday I configured my EVNG lab with all the nodes which I need for my studies, and I'll try to make videos in the future to help my fellow networking gurus, obviously, those who are pursuing career in networking. So what this lab is all about, this is a basic network connectivity. What we're going to do is we will be connecting PCA to the network of 10.0.0.0, and this PC will gonna talk to PCB, which is on the 10.0.1.0 network. So these are two different networks divided by this router. It's got two interfaces, which are the gateways for these two PCs. I got two switches running here as well. A simple connectivity, nothing special, just to check my own nodes, are they working properly. So I thought I'd record a video as well. So to do it quickly, jump onto the interesting part, which is called the fun part. We will just jump onto the router, and I will configure it. So we will go into the privilege mode, then into the global configuration mode, and first I will check the interfaces to show IP interface brief. So you can see at the moment that these interfaces are not configured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure this one and this one, right? So, and you will see the status here and the protocols here. So what we're going to do is now we will simply go. So I will jump onto the interface. I'll jump onto the interface FA0/0, giving them an IP address to this interface is 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the command of no shutdown. And you will see the interface will gonna come up. We'll go out from here. You can see the interface is up, and I'm gonna do the same with the interface. With the interface FA1/0, and the IP address is 10.0.1.1 255.255.255.0, and same will not shut down. And now we end and then come out from the configuration mode, and also the show IP interface brief. So now you can see that I've configured this one, this interface, and this interface. The IP address is this for both of them, and you can see the status is up. Good job. So we go further now to configure our PCs. So my PCs are already running in the remote desktop view. I'll take you to the network sharing center, and we'll change the adapter settings. Right click on it, and we go into the IPv4 properties and use the following IP address. So the PC1 got 10.0.0.2 and 255.255.0, and the gateway address is 10.0.0.1.1, and we don't use any of the DNS at the moment. So done. Okay, close. Now go to PCB, same thing, network and sharing center, and change adapter setting, right click, properties, IPv4 properties, obtain the following IP address, and that one is 10.0.1.2 and 255.255.255.0, and the gateway address is 10.0.1.1, and make it 0. Okay, close. We go to PCA, public home network, and cancel. We open the command prompt and ping 10.0.1, 10.0.1.2, and you can see we went successfully ping. You can see that we can successfully ping from PCA to PCB. So same as we're going to do from PCB to PCA. We don't need that. We do it here. We're gonna do ping 10.0.0.2, and we are successful. So it means our lab has been configured properly and all the nodes are working good. So you can see we got a successful ping, we got the replies from PCA and PCB, and this is the only thing which I needed to do today. So just to check how I'm working with my nodes. Thank you so much for your time and for your patience to listening to me. I hope you liked the video, and I'll come again with some different topic. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.